Tangy masala. This is the wings. So let me show you guys how it looks like. Look at this. How crunchy that looks like. Delicious. Really tangy, really good, flavorful. Loved it.
So hello guys, what's up? So I'm here at Crunchies. Just arrived and now order is automatically here. So these are the food that they're having. They have different types of burgers. They have also one bucket of wings, like, and then they have also bucket of fried chicken. And I'm with Goal. She's with me. So guys, we are done here at Crunchies. So for me, it is like a food that's easy to do. If you are like you don't wanna cook in your home, you can just order it and have it. Like it's easy to make, easy to eat. So it was lovely. It was really good. It was so delicious. So anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.